Hello, this short video presentation is on multiplying radicals. Yeah, I know you've already done it, but not quite like this. Alright, we have two examples. The first example is the fourth root of 64 times the third root of 32. Now, you can go 64 to 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 2 and 2. Hopefully, maybe you can do this in your head. If you know 64 is 8 times 8, you should know 8 is 2 to the third times 8, 2 to the third, or 2 to the sixth. So try to start getting in the habit of doing some of this mentally. So this is the fourth root of 2 to the sixth times the third root. And if I cross this off, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 to the fifth. And what we want to do is write this because our roots are not the same. We're taking the fourth root and the third root. We have to write this using fractional exponents. 2 to the 6/4 times 2 to the 5/3. Remember, the root is the denominator of the fraction, the power is the numerator. And I can simplify 6/4 to 3/2. Easier to work with smaller fractions, 5/3. Now, when we multiply like bases, the key is this only works if the bases are like. If you have a 2 and a 3, it's not going to work. You can't do it. But our bases are the same, and they will be on all your problems. So now we have to add the exponents. 3/2 plus 5/3. Actually, what I'm going to do is forget about that. Well, I won't. So we multiply by 3/3, multiply by 2/2 to get our common denominator of 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. And we have 8/3. I knew I made a mistake. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 10 is 19, not 16. Wow. So we have 19/6. So this is equal to 2 to the 19/6 power. So we have the sixth root of 2 to the 19th power. Now, we're not actually going to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 19 times, but we're going to divide 19 by 6, and we get 3. 3 times 6 is 18, and a remainder of 1, or 3 1/6. That means there are 3 groups of 6, 2 times 2 times 2, and 1 left over, 6th root of 2, or 8 times the 6th root of 2. That's it. Nothing more than that. All right. We'll do one more that's actually easier. 5th root of 3 to the 8th times the square root of 3 to the 7th. As a number with the fractional exponent, we have 3 to the 8/5 times 3 to the 7/2. Now I'm actually going to erase this 8/5 and write it like this. Now I can go times 5 over 5 times 2 over 2, and I have, all right, now we end up with 3, 16 and 35 is 51, and 2 times 5 is 10. So we have the 10th root of 3 to the 51st power. 51 divided by 10 is 5 with a remainder of 1. So that means there's 5 groups of 3. So we have 3 to the 5th, 1 left over, and we have the 10th root of 3, because there's 1 left over. And that's our final answer. Now, if it's a huge number, like 3 to the 5th, I don't expect you to multiply that out. I'll make sure on your quiz and test there's small enough numbers that you can do it. All right, that's all there is. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.